Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Teams and going straight to the meeting chat or channel where the session took place. Look for a message labeled recording or a playback thumbnail. That indicates processing finished. If you don't see it, check the organizer's OneDrive or SharePoint. Recordings are stored there. Once done, make sure you have the right permissions. You need to be organizer or a permitted participant to download or share the file. Now play the recording and watch critical sections to verify both audio and video are intact. This confirms the capture succeeded. Use the timeline to jump to important timestamps and enable captions or the transcript to check spoken content accuracy. If frame drops or audio gaps appear, note exact times. Then decide whether to download a copy or trim using the built-in playback tools. Finally, download the recording from the chat link or from OneDrive/SharePoint if you need a local backup. Set link permissions for viewers before sharing. If you must keep a clean version, use the trim feature or export the transcript. One key troubleshooting tip: if the recording is missing, verify the meeting organizer, check Microsoft 365 retention settings, and confirm the recorder's account didn't fail. Often permissions or storage limits cause absent recordings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.